Good evening. This is KIMT Storm Team 3 meteorologist Travis Clark Smith. Hope you have enjoyed the first half of your weekend. A very warm Saturday as we had a pretty breezy and very sunny Saturday with a few clouds now in the area. Taking a look around at temperatures and conditions. Here in Rochester, 79 degrees. Same in Mason City. Austin, a little bit cooler at 75, and Albert Lee at 72. Kind of cloudy right now, but those clouds will be making their way out of the area as we go through the evening into the overnight hours. Also, a cold front has passed through, switching the wind direction around to the west and northwest, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting at times up to 25. Now, tonight we do have the possibility yet again of seeing the northern lights thanks to some very active solar flares. Now, last night they didn't really pan out quite as much, but tonight we do have another chance and we will be clearing out, so that will be possible. So if you are looking to see those northern lights, you want to get away from the city and maybe find an open field looking to the northern horizon. That will be the best chance to see those anytime after sunset, but definitely around the midnight hours. We take a look at stargazing conditions. There are those clouds that are moving out. By 10 o'clock, everybody will be clear, and that will stay that way through the overnight hours. So definitely a great opportunity to get out and see the northern lights on your Saturday night. Now, the other thing that we want to talk about is Tropical Storm Milton. It is starting to make its trek across the Gulf of Mexico, and over the next couple of days it will slowly move to the north and northeast, and it will also strengthen. It could become a major hurricane before crossing into the west coast of Florida by the middle of next week. We will definitely be keeping an eye on that. It's only been about a week and a half since Hurricane Helene made landfall. Of course, we know all about that devastation, so that is definitely fresh in folks' minds, and we will be keeping an eye on Tropical Storm, eventually Hurricane Milton, as it makes its way closer to the Florida coastline. Now, taking a look at Sky Tracker 3 locally, you can see that cold front passed through, and now winds are coming out of the west and northwest a little bit strong, and they will be breezy through the day on Sunday. And as the air behind this cold front is very dry, we do again have the possibility for some elevated fire weather conditions. So those harvesting, be careful, because any fires that could be touched off could get out of control very quickly. Maybe try avoid burning if you're thinking about doing that for tomorrow. We can expect more of the same conditions through the day on Sunday, and then we'll have a few more clouds as we come through into Monday morning. As we take a look at the 7-day forecast, where the weekend is always in view, very cool tomorrow, 63 degrees. Sunny and breezy, and then we will start a slow warm-up through the week ahead. By next Friday, up to 83 degrees, but as we take a look at the longer range, we are looking at some cooler temperatures yet again. Stay tuned for KIMT News 3 at 10 this evening for your top stories and another look at your full forecast. Have a good night.